After the breakdown of the mobile phone services in Jammu and Kashmir, the police have started restoring mobile phone transmission towers that were closed after terror attacks and threats in various parts of Kashmir. Police have deployed their men for the protection of towers in certain areas. Police say towers have been made operational in most parts of South Kashmir and it will be restored in Sopore as well by this evening. Hundreds of mobile transmission towers went off after militants killed 2 persons associated with mobile phone services and injured 4 others in 5 different attacks. On Monday, a mobile tower was attacked with a rifle grenade in downtown Srinagar.
Government has started establishing its street and restoring the mobile towers, mobile transmission towers in most parts of the valley. I'm here in Parimpora. This tower went off 2 days ago and there was complete breakdown of mobile phone services. But during midnight at 12, police along with technical experts, they reached here and they restored this transmission tower. Police have been deployed. Police say they are going to deploy its men in all the vulnerable areas where mobile phone service have been affected. I'm joined by Mr. Ashish Mishra, who is SHO Parimpora. He's an IPS officer. Mr. Ashish, can you tell me how many towers in your area of jurisdiction went off because of the fear, because of the threats, and now how many have been restored?
Out of 27 towers, there are 10 towers which went down.
Right.
Okay. Out of those 10 which were down, 8 have been restored back.
So you were saying out of 27 and 25 were there in the area which were...
Yes. So out of 27, 25 are operational, and the rest of the 2 towers which are in Panjinara, one of the towers is non-functional because of the technical glitches which happened during the floods. And another tower is there in Panjinara which is yet not operational.
How serious was the threat in your area?
In my area, I think the threat was not that serious, but it's more like a panic which is spread among the tower owners, because of which this thing has happened. At the same time, coupled with the technical glitches, because most of the towers are being operated by the technicians from mobile services company. So those technicians did not turn up, because of which the towers were not operational.